So I really love a fiberglass front door, and I'll tell you a bunch of the reasons why. But again, when it comes to front entry doors, you've got a wide array of solutions out there. You've got steel front doors, you've got wood front doors, you've got fiberglass front doors. You've got what I call your Home Depot special, which a lot of customers will come and tell me, I saw a front door at Home Depot for $400. Again, probably not a great front door. There's kind of a wide array, and there's pluses and minuses to all of the front doors. And again, based on what you're looking for from a design perspective, you can get lots of different types of options. But the reason why I like fiberglass probably better than anything else, again, I guess is for the longevity and the performance in a market like Chicago. Again, I think when you start talking about a fiberglass front door, as silly as it sounds, they don't dent. Right? So when you're talking about a steel entry door, which is a fairly popular option these days, again, from an energy efficient standpoint, the steel and the fiberglass are close. Steel actually performs a little better than a fiberglass front door from energy efficiency standpoint, but it's nominal when you look at it from that perspective. I think when you start looking from a performance, we do get harsh weather. We do get our kids kicking their boots off on the front door. We do get people dropping stuff. We got the Amazon guy at our front door. If you're me, you've got him 2 times a day popping by your front door. So there's lots of activity going around. And again, when you start talking about the durability and performance of fiberglass, the most important thing about a front door is it opens and closes. And again, what fiberglass is a dimensionally stable product. The way fiberglass is made, whether it's hot, whether it's cold, that door should not move. Which should allow for a nice opening and closing, whether we're talking the winter or we're talking the middle of summer. The most humid times of year to the wettest times to the driest times. That door should do what you need it to do, which is open and close. The other thing I love about fiberglass doors is you tend to be able to get just any design option you want these days from a fiberglass door. They do a great job from both paint and stain look. So if you want that real true look of a wood door, you can achieve that with a fiberglass door, but you can get all the performance, you can get all the energy efficiency of a fiberglass door. The other thing I like is it also comes with a warranty. So, we've done some phenomenal wood doors for customers. The problem with the wood door is the first thing that the company that ships the door to us in Chicago will let you know is that door doesn't have a warranty. The other thing that they'll typically tell you is that door has to be placed in a certain area that's got an overhang, that's away from the sun. There's lots of different requirements that they typically want when it comes to a front door. The more restrictions you put on something, if you're a homeowner in a harsh environment, I kind of caution you, stay away from something that's got a lot of restrictions. If it's got a longer list of what you shouldn't do than what you should do, you should probably think twice. But if you're asking me my preference and what type of door I'd put in my own house, we've got 2 fiberglass doors in our house. And again, from a performance standpoint, from a design standpoint, from a energy efficiency standpoint, they really do kind of lead the way across all categories.